Eric with Radiator Grille Store here doing another quick modification for our C8 Z06. And we're going to be changing out these splash guards to the extended versions with the carbon flash paint on there. These are going to prevent rock chips from heading this way and contacting any of the extended parts here around your intake. So this is a real quick mod. Let's get into it. Here we go with the kit. We've got the splash guard here. We got that nice carbon flash metallic paint, and we've got a set of new clips here, but we do like to utilize the existing clips, the stock clips. They've already been exercised. They've already been in the space. We do like to pull those off and put those on. Just a little tip for you. Removal of the splash guard is real easy. We use a 7mm here, and then we'll just get our fingers in here and pop all the clips all the way up. Once we remove that 7mm, we're going to reach underneath and pop off these clips. We can grab right here at that little tang for that 7mm and kind of give it a quick tug and pop it off, and then pull these away from the body. Here you go with the stock clips. These things have these, what I call vampire teeth in here, and they really like to stick into this plastic here. They like to bite in there. So we're going to remove them, and we like to take a couple of our trim tools. You can utilize a metal screwdriver on each side or something like that to separate those vampire teeth. They want to bite into this plastic quite deeply, and we want to get on both sides of there and separate those vampire teeth and wiggle each one of these off. So we're doing that with our trim tools. We do sell these in the store. We're going to get up behind there and try to get these to separate from that plastic, and we'll get one on each side and just separate each one of them and pull each one off. Once we remove that clip, we're just going to inspect the vampire teeth, make sure they're in good condition to grab onto the new piece. Now that we've got the new piece here, we're just going to simply press on each of the old clips. We'll get each one of those in position. They can be adjusted up and down, so you do want to watch out for that when we do an alignment on each one of these holes, and make sure that they're going to fit right in those holes. Now that they're all on the piece, we're going to do a little test fit because they are adjustable as we stated, and make sure that they're in the correct position. You don't want to be smashing these into these holes if they're not aligned perfectly, and you want to make sure that they're also, the stock clips aren't stuck in any one of those holes either. Make sure they're all removed prior to fitting these pieces. So once they're all aligned, and we're going to go check, there is that tab. We want to put that behind the wheel well liner. So it goes in that little position there. Let me reposition this here so you can see better. So here you go, right there. We're going to be putting the tab in that area behind the wheel well. And then we're going to be checking for alignment, making sure that all the clips are in the right position. So we'll go in there. We'll just get the little bit of the tip of the clip into the hole, making sure everything is aligned. Do not force this. You will potentially break the clips on the new splash guard. So we want to make sure that each one of these things are aligned before we go in there and ham fisting it and smashing it in there. So that's what we're doing here, and we're going to just make sure each one is aligned. We'll kind of twist it into the space and just kind of tilt it over. Make sure that each one of the clips are going to align right in that hole, so you can kind of push it where just the tip gets in there, and making sure that it's all going to align. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to push in and make sure each one of those clips seat. Now we're just going to give it that big shove into place, popping each one of the clips in. Make sure we go start at the bottom, we can go all the way to the top, and now it's in. So pretty quick, easy mod to really save the side of your C8 Corvette Z06 and E-Ray from rock chips, so you can see what it looks like. You know, it's a great look. It matches the carbon flash metallic paint, and just really quick, simple mod to, you know, add that added extra protection to your vehicle, just like the radiator grills in our store as well. You can find these products and more for your C8 Corvettes at radiatorgrillestore.com.